Welcome, welcome. Okay, looks like I'm already live. Welcome to my stream. It's stream number 115 of my late night talks with romantic developer. And we have at least, let me check sound. Looks like I'm already live. Okay, sound looks good, maybe not so beautiful, but at least not bad. Yeah, camera, of course, mobile setup on the go, but you see my screen there. It's slightly in colors of romantic developers, some light violet, reddish, and so on. Okay, as you know, I'm doing, or maybe you don't know, most probably, I'm doing 152 days stream challenge for sure, and then I'll decide if I need to continue that or not. 152 days, it's a number of streams, consecutive day streams, which did my wife. She did very beautiful streams about multiple interesting topics around women's health and some exercises, some diets, and so on and so on. All the products to it, all the things to do. So it was full of information, and yeah, it's a group of people who learned every day, and it was like small life. And I said, okay, it's probably easy to repeat, and I just start streaming whatever I want, and it's I understand that it's completely not easy in any case. So it's very complex thing, especially when you have some moments of let's say that moments of tiredness, of maybe some disorganization, unwillingness, and so on. But you need to switch stream on and do the stream even if you move sometimes the time. But yeah, because I don't have a very big and active viewers base, and it's not a miracle, of course. I could move my stream depending on situation, but I try to do it for in interval from 10 p.m. Pacific time to till 12 till midnight, and in most cases it would be closer to 10:30, so something like that. Okay, what we do normally, I reply some on your questions or share my daily let's say daily thoughts. So what I thought about, what's new, what is in the air, and so on. Oh, come on. I try to see if I don't have any new messages, any new comments, and it says, hey, you should verify that it's you. I say, what? It's me, of course. So daily reflections, let's say that. And a second part of the stream, we are doing some exercise around software engineering topic. Normally we work with some technologies near OpenAI or some LLM models. Sometimes it's not only LLM, but like Whisper transcribing models, and so on. And trying to do something useful. Right now I'm trying to build some tool which will help to download, transcribe even long videos, build some description, titles, video sections, keywords, and so on. It's working pretty fine, and we added recently short ideas, and we're thinking how we could do like what we could do more with the short ideas. So short ideas was introduced maybe last stream. So today we're going to look how to return short ideas in more consistent way using response format and JSON schema for that. About daily reflections, of course, today is November 6th, and today, when we did last stream, it still wasn't declared that Trump is next president of United States, and today is like less than in a day, it's already a fact, and multiple leaders from the world congratulated Trump with that election, and it was pretty interesting election. I mean, before election, it wasn't. It was some, how it's called, intrigue, something which says, okay, the changes of Trump, of course, are good, but not as big as he received during the counting of votes. So of course it was some kind of miracle, and also Republicans received a majority in all on all houses in Senate and House of Representatives. So it should be quite simple for Trump next year, January 20, to do some decision, to take some decision, and to do some changes. And so we probably will see a lot of changes, and it's a very interesting time. I hope Trump will somehow try to stop the war in Ukraine, because it's close. It's a sensitive topic to me, because I'm Ukrainian, and Ukraine is my country. From other side, I have many friends from Russia, and I understand that it's like on territory of Ukraine and Russia live many relatives, and many people were tightly connected with multiple things, with family relationships, with similar history, culture, language, and so on and so on. So, as you know, it was an USSR time where it was one country for more than 70 years, and it was country which went through some very difficult challenges, like winning World War II, for example, and completely rebuilt itself and help others in the world. Of course, the level of life in USSR wasn't the best, but of course probably it wasn't the worst. And I born in time of USSR, so I saw multiple like good and bad about it. But at the end, when Ukraine received its independence pretty unexpectedly, I saw the moments of building a new country with all that laws, with all that events, with all that revolutions. And of course, I didn't imagine that it will go to the phase when so many people need to die in that war for I couldn't say for nothing, but of course, what I want to say, what I can say is that die for something for which they could live, basically, not die. I mean, there is, of course, happen some events, and I'm completely not justify Russia decision to went with war to Ukraine, but I could understand that political reasons which lead to that. And of course, I could see both sides of conflict of that war, their reasoning, and what I couldn't see why someone decided to continue that war when there are multiple changes to stop it on pretty good conditions. So yeah, about very personal reflection, what it would be. Today was a beautiful day. I did a pretty long walk to the Green River. I like that trail, and yeah, I saw the beautiful autumn nature and weather, so multiple birds. I even saw some small snake, yeah, fish. it did something near the yeah, in the river near me. I haven't noticed that, but then it's just start and swim away. So yeah, not sure what it's done. Maybe it's eat something. I don't know, but yeah, a lot of nature, a lot of good vibes. So of course, if you have chance and you could go for a walk, do that. It's actually very very good thing, especially for profession like software developers or any profession which require you to spend a lot of time at computer. Also, don't forget to dream, especially don't betray your childhood dreams. We talked about it a lot, and it's basically a key to understand what your real purpose is here, or what is your task to implement here, because as a child you have a better vision. Of course it will be transformed in some childish dreams, but once you grow, if you don't betray them, if you don't forget them, it could help you to lead your way to your future profession and future thing of your life. So yeah, I understand that I'm still on that way, even I'm already grown man, even not boy. So yeah, I have grown boys as my kids, but yeah, but yeah. So it was my reflections, and if we think about, and maybe if we switch to software development, yeah, probably we could do that. So in our software development thing, we used to ask ChatGPT as much as we can. Initially, I used all the time free version of ChatGPTs, asking that asking that version to help us. As you know, ChatGPT, even if you just register on the website of OpenAI, allow you to execute some number of requests for GPT-4 and a lot of requests in GPT-4 Mini. It's still pretty powerful model. Now I just switched to my own GTP account, which allowed to execute a lot of requests. So we have our, let me probably switch transition. We have our account in GitHub, which called Romantic Dev, and we have our YouTube AI helper, which consists of two folders, one for batch execution, one for Python program. And now we're improving our Python program. It has some instructions how to set up it and how to execute it, and it has some code which allow us to execute multiple parts of process, which will start with downloading YouTube video, transcribing it, and processing multiple prompts based on configuration we choose. And with time we already improved that code here to build to build transcript and preserve a lot of data. Also, very recently we extract from Whisper which is transcription model, we extract uh, word level transcript. So we extract two type of transcript because we send its timestamp granularities as word and segments. We received two version of transcripts, which looks like yeah, it's one of the example of my stream, how we did it, and probably to show you transcript with word granularities. It's some video we just downloaded yesterday. It has a lot of files here because we execute prompts multiple times. But normally we download from YouTube WebM, which is fully uncompressed, good quality audio component. Then we convert it to OGG file format, which allow us to do good size conversion. Then we received two transcript. It would be transcript SRT, which looks like normal transcript. It has time component from to, and it's what exactly was said in the video. It's Mr. Beast video. We just took it as an example. And also we create something new. It's some code we added yesterday. We create that type of transcript now. So basically for each word we have we have a component of time when it's sound exactly. We could use that for building short some beautiful captions. Sorry, I'm pretty late, pretty long day, so we're building captions. And those captions, when you see some shorts, you see captions on the screen which are dynamic, which just highlight what you are talking pretty close, and it's highlight each word. That level of captions is not supported by current programs in anywhere. So we thought that maybe we could use that captions and use it in some software. And what is good, it supports 98 languages. So Premiere support maybe 14, 15, I don't know, up to 20 languages to transcribe. And again, it doesn't support word level captions. If you want to do it, you do need to do a lot of manual work. There is also some tools like captions.io, if I'm not mistaken. No, captions.io. Captions AI, okay. Captions AI, but if I'm not mistaken, now they ask money to do that. Okay, and if we just look at the tools, nice. Could you show me tools? And it would be a video editor, add subtitles, speak, caption it, accept all. Okay, let's continue with, we have that our romantic developers thing. Let's see. Oh, actually it's maybe even free, still free. Let's try to go to our project and use some of the video file we downloaded before. Let's use WebM. It's English, no translations. Proceed with English. It's proceeding. Dimensions 1 on 1. It's because we downloaded just audio component of that thing. Let's see. For some reason I thought that it's become fully paid. It become fully paid. Oh, what's that? You couldn't do that? Delete. Let's try once again. 20, 35, 50, and that's it. So we look at that video. CD videos, CD job, YouTube DLP. It's how to download that file just locally. It will download it with full, yeah, it's pretty big, with full quality, with maximum quality it can. YouTube DLP basically it's open source product which allow you to download from YouTube anything you want. So if you have YouTube link, you can download with the tool. And we receive that file. So maybe what we could do, we could ask a very simple question. Please help with ffmpeg command to create smaller version of video file. So we just want smaller video file because what we've downloaded, it's 500 megabytes. It's pretty big, yeah. So it says reducing video bitrate, decrease size, effect quality. Okay, it's good. 1 megabit per second, 128 kilobits for audio bitrate per second. Also, it's use codec, concentrate factor. So, and what else we have? We could reduce the scale, of course, and that's it. So I think maybe we could use that command. It's downloaded. We go here and instead of input mp3 file, let's see what I think that is the latest WebM file, and then we just go and remove everything. So we transforming that file to output mp4 with all that parameters. ChatGPT helped us with, so it would be pretty, yeah, you see speed is slow actually, maybe because we use some nice codec. So which codecs we are using at the end? 265. Yeah, maybe it will take a lot, because you see we just did 206. So yeah, not good. Let's see once again. We could use 265 or 264. You know what? Maybe let's try to use 264. Maybe it would be faster. So 264 is more, let's use something like 14. Maybe, let's just remove all the scaling and audio. Oh, really? What was the argument? Just output. Okay. Yeah. Let's see the size, speed. Speed also is not. What is a speedy way to compress a file with FFmpeg? FFmpeg also another free tool you can download. Hello. Right now we are not programming. Right now we just looking if we can use some tools like romantic developer. Yeah, it's not usual when people think about developers, they don't think about romantic. But I'm kinda romantic. So what we're trying to do, we build some program which help at least us with YouTube videos, not only for my channel but for other channel. We build several versions of that program and put them into GitHub, which everyone can download and use. Basically, that program automates things like downloading video from YouTube, transcribing it. So using audio component of the video, create text transcription of this, so what people say. Then basically based on that transcription we call some ChatGPT models and ask it to help us create nice and attractive titles for those video, create cool description, add video chapters, and create keywords. So everything to make a YouTube video quite relevant and with video chapters, which is challenging to do, especially if you have long streams, for example. And now we are looking into something like create captions for some small videos or maybe for videos, and we are looking into different options. Right now we are looking at not open source, for external tools which called Captions AI. Captions AI, and it's here. It doesn't want to create any captions. I have an idea that Captions AI now requires money to do captions, but maybe I'm wrong. So I just trying to understand if what we do worth or not worth it. Of course it's worth if we want to do other edits to video, because captions, it just do captions and it don't allow us to download anything from here, just video which is ready. And of course if you want to add some effects or work with that video in some programs, of course it's not so useful. And other big browsers of captions like Adobe Premiere Pro and other doesn't support that dynamic captions creation. So we just use some tools to download and convert files to use that captions, and after that we'll think how to build that program. So if it makes sense and if it's you have any interest in that, welcome. If not, maybe you are interested in something else, you could ask your question and maybe we could spend some time on the next stream about on that, or maybe even on this stream. It's all depend on your questions. Yeah, I used to talk a lot. Most probably you already dropped. Let's see plans. Actually, it has Pro, Max, Scale, Enterprise, and for Pro, get started, what's included: unlock accurate customizable questions. Okay, 29 languages, not much. up level video. What's included in each plan? Compare. Pro Max scale. And what about pricing? What about pricing? 100 credits per month for 20 minutes of AI video. Let's say I edit video for you. Nice, nice. Yeah, it doesn't say anything about support here. And time is 1 minute 15 seconds. So it's still not speedy at all. So let's try to see the script we use to convert it. Quickly compress video. Maintain balance between speed and quality. Can adjust encoding present to other parameters. Here's how. Use a faster encoding present. Fast. Okay, let's try to use that fast. We did something like that, and then we use 264 present fast output, override, and its duration 15 minutes 38 seconds. And it processed only speed is 0.4, which makes so it's processed only 10 seconds. Yeah, not fast enough. But that computer is not actually, it's slow. So what we can do, we can go here and just use that full WebM file and upload. Probably we could. Okay, only 10 minutes. Let's go and find some video below 10 minutes. Short video story. Let's use fairy tales. Short little red. Okay, let's see if it will work for us. One day. Yeah, it should work. Let's go here and let's go up to one level. Create deer. No change. How to create deer? Make deer. Short. No. Deer? No. Make deer. Oh, make deer. Short. Okay, CD short. And YouTube DLP that story. Let's download it. Okay, it's short and probably we could use it here in captions. Delete, upload video. Let's go to video short and we have that story. English, no translation, proceed. It's pretty small, so let's try to do that. Let's ask ChatGPT. So let's go here we have search enabled. Hi, can you search for the latest information on the next topic? How much videos I can transcribe and create captions for free at this resource. So as November 2024, Captions doesn't offer a free subscription plan. They provide free 3 paid plans: Pro, Max and Scale, available in both monthly and yearly subscriptions. You could look here. For users seeking free alternatives to transcribe video and create captions, several platforms offer such services. Zimo AI provides free tools to transcribe audio and video text with high accuracy. Capbing offers a free audio to text converter, allowing users to transcribe audio files into text. Feature-free MP3 to text converter enables users to transcribe video file without cost. Maestro AI. These platforms can be valuable alternatives if you want to transcribe video and create captions without the subscriptions. So subscriptions and plan pricing, choose duration, monthly or yearly, how to pay, your currency, based on the project you could plan. Do you offer trials? If you sign up on iPhone or Android device, we offer a one-time 3-day trial for Captions Pro. So they use only for 3 days, and the thing it recommends, like Zimo, most probably they don't support that caption thing. So they just transcribing. Scalability. So still looks like the thing we are going to do is valuable. Come on, what's going on? Why you can't? Really? No. CLC. We have FMPEG. And probably we could insert something like that. Yeah, speed is much faster. Let's see once again. If we could do that, maybe it's okay. No messages. So the size is about 2 minutes. We could try once again with captions, because that thing doesn't work. But yeah, they said no free plans. So okay. Other things I want to look, it would be new Adobe Express.com. No? Yes, no? We could use something like Adobe Express. Yeah, let's search for the, oh, no, not Adobe. Maybe Adobe, okay. A quick and easy create anything app. So it's start 30 days trial or get Adobe Express free. So as far as I know, they have a free application before, and oh nice. So I will not start a free trial, but even without a free trial I could do anything here, and they have some tools, like they have some quick actions for video. which includes view all video, which create captions video, which is really cool, but they support some set of languages, and for example they don't support like Ukrainian, for example, where I need to create several videos, etc. And here, yeah, they support. So let's try to do output. Is it completed? Yeah, it's completed. So let's wait here and let's upload that output to here as well. Let's see if captions can do that at all, because I don't know why they proposing us to do something if they can't. So analyzing, let Little Red Riding Hood, so pretty, it's a small video, should be done. But yeah, that thing is cool. Adobe Express Pro, Adobe Express, it's free. They have captions. Oh, why we couldn't ask a ChatGPT about it? What about Adobe Express for a free captioning of the videos? Offers a free tool for adding captions to videos. The caption video feature allows you to automatically generate captions using the audio content of your videos, enhancing accessibility and viewer engagement. This tool supports multiple languages. How to use? Okay. This feature currently free to use and supports multiple languages, making it valuable tool for content creators. What are downgrades, like pros and cons? What are cons of Adobe Express for that task? Cons, it's bad. So let's see. Okay, let's wait it. So while Adobe Express is free and user-friendly, limited integration with video editor, built-in video editor doesn't support direct additions of captions or subtitles during the editing process. Edit the video, export it, and then use caption video feature to add captions, which can be time consuming. Yes, I don't like that either, but after they add the captions, they can use it, editing in Adobe Express itself, and it could be, yeah, simpler. What else? Caption placement challenges. When resizing videos, okay, captions may not automatically adjust. Okay, features limitation in free version. While caption features free, other advanced functionalities may require subscriptions. Auto-generate captions not too accurate. Okay. File size restrictions, it's okay. And that question is 5 minutes, 1 GB, integration with video editor, caption placement issues. Is it possible to create dynamic question captions with highlighting current word spoken for free in Adobe Premiere Pro? It's not free program, of course, but let's see. Okay, manual effort. So that thing also support only set of languages, doesn't support Ukrainian. It's just an example. So the set of languages is pretty limited. Okay, synchronize with audio. Yeah, it's a lot of work. So to create or free templates with Adobe doesn't automatic effects. You can leverage free text animation templates that simulate word by word highlighting. Let's see, mix it. So it's free templates. Is there any way to search here? Premiere Pro text. Caption. So it's not like templates or what is that? Is it like view, no results? Okay, captions, and captions as well. So probably we just need to use text like before. Typewriter. See. Okay. So again, third-party plugins, third-party submachine or captioner offers feature for create dynamics. However, these plugins are typically paid. For this process. Conclusion. Well, it's possible. Okay, so it's possible, but not so simple. Let's see what we can do with here. Okay, looks like it's added that things, and we have that little red hood. Nice. One day, little red riding hood must said to her, "Take this basket goodies to your grandma." Okay, nice. And if I could export, yeah, now it says you couldn't do that. You need to use early or monthly, and it would be built in Pro. Captions flexible, styles edited, flexible and collaborative space. Okay, and it would be even more. $30 a year, or 30 a month, and $200 a year. Yeah, pretty big. So let's go get started to our project. Actually, projects, new template, effects, audio, the noise, media, some media templates for that thing. Okay, and if we just upload the same video once again, let's see the languages. Yeah, they support much more languages, you see, and at least they support Ukrainian, they support like Russian and some other languages, but you see the list is not huge, but pretty good for multiple users, but not as big as with. So here, if you will look, yeah, that caption started, we could probably use the blocks like to make it more. Yeah, nice. You can customize colors. We will not do that. Let's open it in editor. So they provide editor, and we are in free version. We are in free version. I hope they will not remove that from free. I see it start free trial. We're not using any trials. We're in free version. And if you will show the layering, so on every stage here, if we bulk create, unlock the ability to bulk create plus. Nice. we could make bulk create for free. I have that project. I just decided not went with that because okay, I decided it will be free, but you see it's not free. So view max layers. Can we see the layers here? Okay, something like that. No, we need to unlock the ability to bulk create plus. Okay, but can I edit something? I see the group. Can I see the groups? Zoom to fit page. Okay. Add animation. No, we just view all pages. No, it's the same page we need. Margins, animation, theme, resize. Why we don't see the how to see that group? Is it possible? Oh, looks like they edited more in more complex way than before, at least from what I see. Or I just edit timeline. Or I just don't understand something. So that thing is displayed, so it's the whole group of, and it contains all the text. But why we couldn't see the text auto? 5%? No. Fit. Okay. It's video and it's, and we should see it here. Max 200 layers. No, we don't want to add page. What if we just add something? Let's add some media, let's add some boy. Ah, come on. And we have that boy and we will add it till there. So how I could see that layers here? Video, one layer. I could add some text. Add your text. Hi. Hi. I need some different type of font. Hi. Okay. I have all of those. I have text, I have image, I have girl, and I have of course we don't need the text to go that far, but we have that thing. Normally, if I'm not mistaken, copy paste comment, we should see them in here, in that layers, you see, but they just don't show it at all. Let's just reload that project. Maybe it's something with this computer. No, I don't want to go premium. So it supports all of that stuff. Translate, new. Bulk, create, margins, background, okay, it's understandable. But all pages, it's okay, it's multiple pages, but does it show layers? Come on, I think it could be used for free as well. In Adobe Express, could we use layers in free version? Can you double check? What is the thing? In free version of Adobe Express. Okay, yes, I understand that it's fundamental access. Okay, it's understandable. Open the layer panels, rearrange layers, lock layers. Captions. Okay, let's start new file, rename, duplicate, download, make template. Let's duplicate captions too. Abracadabra, open. Let's just open duplicate that version. It says I can use I can use layers. Why I couldn't use them? It's all pages. Group and group. %. So we want to start maybe some new video. Maybe it's because it's proposing me to try something for free. But you see that it's layers and it's blocked. It shouldn't do that, believe me. Let's use some template which is free. Maybe that one. Let's just use that template. Okay, now I see layers. Oh, come on. So yeah, it's how I should see that layers. And what about video? Video. Okay, let's try to use that. And I see layers here as well. You see that? So every moment we stop, we could see that it has holiday, it has something. Okay, and if I'll go to my stuff and I could click on the captions at this page. Oh, I see. That's happening because we have too many layers here. We have too many layers. So if we will just maybe divide it here, just say, yeah, if we say not resize but split, and we move it maybe to the next. Hide layer timing, animate all, delete scene, duplicate. It would add the scene here, yes. Now we don't need to duplicate, let's delete. So let's go here. We can remove that, we can remove that, we have this thing. We could duplicate page, go here and just remove completely this thing and delete scene. Okay, and now here, hi, so looks like even we probably don't have as many layers here, but still it says no, it's a lot, max 200 layers. So in that thing we don't have huge number of layers, we shouldn't have any more. What if we will do on group? Interesting. Looks like it has huge number of layers somehow. Even if we remove mostly everything, it still shows that we have some number of layers. Interesting. So you see we couldn't say any more layers. Maybe if we go here and remove it completely, delete, still. Okay, But normally in that application we could do, oh, it still shows that things that it's support fuzzer. Maybe because they're still all present here somehow. So yeah, even we removed most of the layers, it's still present here, and we couldn't see them at least in free version. Maybe that is not a restriction. Okay, now we could see the layers. And you see, when we see the layers, it's like that thing. We have text, and we have initial thing when it's so we have text which just displayed here, here, and here. For example, this thing is displayed at that moment, who. So if we look at the timeline of this thing, it's displayed when we say who, and then that should be displayed asked, where. So it's pretty interesting thing. I don't think their API allow us to create all of those. Of course, for 1 minute video, probably we could fit into 200 layers to create that thing and to edit them, because that thing, again, it's not doing pretty cool. It doesn't support multiple language. Probably we could help with some add-on for that thing, but yeah, discovering add-on, view all featured, stable video diffusion, nice add-on. Of course, they have a lot of add-ons here, but what would it be for me to submit feedback? 25 generated credits, setting notifications, manage account, Adobe Express. I'm just thinking about how we could help community who doing shorts, because one thing to generate short, but it's probably we can even try to build it, but it will be cool to create that project, you know. So you could add or change something, and that's why I'm trying to see if we could use something like, do they have something like Adobe account, overview, plans, communication, products, overview, no, communities, common hack, tutorials, terms of use, Adobe Express, plugin, development, Adobe Express add-ons. Okay, I'm just trying to see, get started, explore add-ons, get started, overview, getting started, quick start, it's okay. Let's see if we could spend time to build that thing. So hello world, development tools, CLI, which basically help us create new project, supports NPM, okay. JavaScript or React JavaScript or JavaScript with their components. Okay, code playground introduction, real-time preview, effortless prototyping, rapid implementation, development mode. So you just could do that in playground. Nice. Iframe document manifest file. So what we are looking into that, maybe document API. What is supported? We could getting started with document API models in box. Document API. So let's look into document API, and it's, so we could insert, so let's see, we have context, create ellipse, create group, create rectangle, create text. So we could create text and probably even position it. We don't have ability to set text. We don't have ability to set text, a font, or like anything like that. And when we create rectangle node, let's look in the rectangle node what we can set for that. It has fill. Let's set fill, undefined fill, applied fill, what is fill? Interface representing fillable node. Currently can create color fields, but you might encounter other field types when. And for color fields, we could say color. Okay, so we could create colored rectangles. The other thing, could we make them in time? You know, could we create them in time with that API? So, I mean, not just put as, so not just put here discover add-ons, settings, count, format add-on development. Enable add-on. Learn how to build add-on. You must read and accept developer tools by clicking accept. You confirm that you read. So, have you ever read that full EULA and other things like agreement of adopt? I don't think so. So we enabled. Nice. And here we can say code playground, start coding HTML, add-ons, CSS, iframe.js, and we have document.js. Create rectangle, translation, color, nice, fill, set, start. So if we execute the code, actually we just create the sample playground, and we could set that playground here. Nice, but that thing, it would be for the whole duration of our, so that thing will be for the whole duration. We could change this position, it's no questions. So, but we need to make sure that we could put it somewhere in timeline. Does it support that layer timing. Let's ask that thing. Hey, I'm about creating Adobe Express plugin add-on, trying to replicate captions creation on fly. Is it possible to not only create rectangles and text nodes, but also put them in different layer timing? Oh, nice. It means that it's basically trying to uh, send me a response with O1 preview model, but it doesn't have the knowledge about the most recent things in. So you see, knowledge cutoff. It's normally it's provide much more interesting responses, but in that particular case I would go with that thing because it's used search to reply on my question. The creating text and shape, managing layer timing. Docs allow user to adjust timing of layers, which is crucial. However, as of now, SDK doesn't provide direct API to programmatically set or adjust layer timing. Create position element of canvas, controlling the appearance timing in relation to video must be done manually. Yeah, looks like it's the same. Looks like it's the same right now. Just layer timing. It's nice. In summary, while you can create text and shape, timing doesn't support it. Okay, conclusion. Okay, if you need guidance of getting started with plugin development for scripting, I'd be happy to provide. Okay, so once again, let's see here. We have that plugin SDK, document API. We have multiple nodes, visual node, and it would be a context document root and create. And in context we have current selection context, it's page node, okay, insertion parent, and it could return selection, current page, that is on and off, unregistered handler, okay, selection edits, add on data, base font, base node, color details, editor, fillable, group, list node, page list, page node, page in document, okay, returns data, all children, returns base node. So if base node doesn't have timing, most probably it doesn't support it. ID, parent type. So once again, if you go to document APIs, once again, document root, it would be express root node, add-on data, returns all children, pages, parent type, methods, remove from parent. Collection of pages, and each pages, page list, Which page return get first or last or length page note, and page note has all children artboards hit, and artboards it's basically scenes, and for each scenes iterator, index of move after, move before, remove to array, add artboard. So basically that scene, and inside of scene we could local point and not remove from parent, central point local, children field space, top left. Yeah, we don't have anything like time. We don't have anything like time. Yeah, looks like it's true. So still we could use that to build something interesting plugin for Adobe Express Pro, because I like it because it's free, and we could replicate some not free plugins for free and maybe it would be interesting. And once again, documents API, create ellipsis path rectangle, and for rectangle it would be rectangle node, and then we could change just that thing, blend mode, bottom left radius, local fill height, locked opacity, parent rotation stroke, translation type. Translation it's okay, it's the same as location in some way. Local points remove from parent, set position, set rotation, set uniform corner radius. So yeah, it's create beautiful nodes, but it couldn't put it into the timeline. Yeah, timeline not supported. Okay, at least we've checked that. So captions, it's out of box, it supports some of free captions for some languages, but for us to build the captions project we need to use probably with not so free tools. So maybe it would be something like, yeah, maybe we could build plugin for something like free video editor. But the thing is, I don't know much editors. Maybe we could build free plugin for Adobe Express, for Adobe Premiere Pro, for that, because I use it to edit, of course, and I think it will have some value. Okay, I think it will have some value. So today we mostly did some exploration. We did some explorations, and we tried to see what we can do with our word level transcript we get from Whisper model now, and looks like we need to, we can create captions, we can create dynamic captions with that, but I think I use several tools like Adobe Express, which is allow a lot of free tools, and it has its own captionizer, which works interesting and nice, but it's not so, it doesn't support many languages, but at the end you have ability to edit it before exporting video, and you could work with it. If it's for very short video, captioning will work nicely. Yeah, you can you can edit it before process if you don't have too many captions, because looks like Adobe Express has some limits for layers, and without layers, of course, work with captions would be not so nice, um, especially when you need to move them in timing, layer timing, and so on and so on. So probably we could think about yeah, we could think about using our word level transcript to create dynamic captions in Adobe Premiere Pro. Yeah, I think that will work for us. So as usual, I would finish the stream, and as usual, I wish you a great time of your day. I wish you look forward to the future. It would be interesting future, and nothing bad happened. I mean, with the American elections, I would say that even if Harris wins or Trump wins, I mean, America is not just one president. It's a lot of people, and it's the same for every country. If in one country president goes crazy, he doesn't have full power. It's not dictatorship. In worst case, just people of countries say, okay, we don't believe that president, we don't want him to be a president, and they remove it. If he can start to making some, I don't know, things which shouldn't be done. So it will not work in any world, in any country. So if you have 99.99% of population against something and president do something, it will stop. It will not happen. It's how basically people vote works. They don't want something, they all find that something is mad, they will stop it. And about madness, I'm not sure who more mad, Harris or Donald Trump. I don't think who will do better or worse, but I mean it's a pass, and those elections are not. I don't think it's compromised, and it was actual vote of people for Republican Party to come and try to fix the things which are happening before. And about their dreams, please dream, and don't try to remember about your child dreams. And I think it would be a key for your path in your life, and it's never too late to remember that and try to think, okay, how I can maybe change or evolve those child dreams in my current life. Maybe it's still possible. Maybe it's still showing me something I missed all my life. So please remember your child dreams and start dreaming again, and don't forget about that, and maybe your life will change for the best. Okay, if you have any questions, please leave me a comment below the stream, or just leave me a comment if you want. I will be streaming tomorrow after 10 p.m. PST here, and I will stream for another 40 days for sure, and then I will make a decision if I want to stream more. If you want to advise, please leave your comment below the stream. So I think that's it. See you tomorrow.